Hi children, welcome back to our English video session. Now we are going to see what is a sentence. Sentence is a group of words and it has three main characteristics. Firstly, it expresses its complete thought. Example, blue sky is there is a group of words. Does it give any meaning? No, so it is not a sentence. Let us rearrange the words. The sky is blue. We came to know about the color of the sky is blue. This is conveying the meaning, so it is a sentence. Now we are going to see the important characteristics of a sentence, that is subject and a verb combination. For example, put the book here. The subject is not given but understandable. The subject you is added here and the verb is put. The most important characteristics of a sentence is meaning. The meaning of a sentence is based on the different expression. The expression may be of a statement, question, command and exclamation. Based on the different meanings or thought, the sentence is mainly divided into four types: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. First, we are going to see the declarative sentences. It tells information about anything. They end with a full stop. Examples: a dog is man's best friend. Here tells the information that dog is always a best friend to a man. The sandwich is very tasty. Here the information about the taste of the sandwich. She is a beautiful girl. Here defining the beauty of a girl. Declarative sentences always ends with a period. Now let us move to the next. Interrogative sentences. These interrogative sentences are always used to ask a question and the sentence ends with question mark. Where, who, why, what, when, how, these are all called WH questions. Now we are going to see the examples. Who are you? Where is my book? How are you? Will you be my friend? Wherever we are asking a question, we are using the interrogative sentences. Now let us move on to the next type of sentences, that is imperative sentences. It gives command or asks for request. This type of sentences always ends with exclamatory mark. If the sentence is spoken more forcefully, then we use exclamatory mark. Otherwise, we can use a period. Examples: put the key in the drawer. Wait for me. Please leave your footwear outside. If we are giving a command or asking for a help or request, we are using this imperative sentences. Now we are moving to the last, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are used to express strong emotions or feelings. When we are happy or when we are sad or when we are getting angry, we use exclamatory mark. Now let us see the examples. That is a huge fish. Here we surprised after seeing the size of the fish. What a beautiful day. Here express the happiness after having a very nice day. He is such a nice boy. Here expressing our emotion after seeing a nice boy. Children, I hope now you clearly understood about the types of the sentences. Come on, let us recall. Firstly, we understood what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words. It describes the complete thought and it must have a subject and a verb combination. Finally, the main important of a sentence is the meaning. Then we discussed about the 4 types of sentences. Sentences is based on different thoughts. First, we saw declarative sentences. It tells information and ends with a period. The second one is interrogative sentences. It is used to ask a question and always ends with a question mark. The third one is imperative sentences. It gives command or asks for a request. The fourth one is exclamatory sentences. It expresses strong emotions or feelings and always ends with an exclamatory mark. Thank you, children.